Right now, we're putting M&ms and Skittles in a tin. So rule 1, you have to have them letter side up. Rule 2, you have to have them in a tin that's taller than the Skittles and M&ms themselves. 3, only add water. So when you put the water in the Skittles and M&ms, the letters will float up to the top of the water. So if it's not, you should get the bigger the bowl, the longer it takes to get up. The smaller the bowl, the easier it is to see, but the harder it is to tell that it's not on the M&M or Skittle anymore. Okay, so by the way, it takes like 5 to 6 some minutes. And by the way, even if the letters are perfectly seeable, does not mean that you'll see the letters. Sometimes the letters start to rip immediately, like for example the Skittles. 2 of the Skittles, I can see the S's floating away from the Skittles. And the M&Ms I just got in, so they're not much. And 1 Skittle just got like ripped in half. Like not the Skittle, but the letter just got ripped into pieces. So you don't have to be so picky with this because it's just chance. So by the way, if you can see, this is an S, this is an S, and this is the S that was broken, but then the wind pushed it back together. Now it's just a little wonky compared to these 2 S's, but still now it's an 8 technically, so. Okay, so step 1, we grab a balloon. Any kind of balloon as long as it can fit over the size of your cup, even without popping. That's like the main rule. Next, you want to fill it up with either Nerds or Pop Rocks. You have to have a bottle full of water and or Sprite. So then you fill up the balloon with either Pop Rocks or Nerds. Which these are Nerds, these are Pop Rocks. Right now, I'm gonna fill the balloons with half of the each balloon with half of the Nerds, and then put them at the brim of the water. So watch this. It might not do much, but when the Nerds go in the water, not much happens. But when the Nerds go into the soda, you'll find out what happens. So next, we're gonna fill this up. Oh, and by the way, 7-Up should work. We're just trying something new, I guess. Okay, now we fill this up with Sprite. Oh, yes, it's full. It's full of air. You see this? See this? This is like empty, but this is like, oh, it's going up. You see? This. Okay, so it's Nerds with Sprite. Then it's, yeah, see? That is super cool. Now my brother is going to be trying this. Let's see how high it can go. See, this is not high at all. If you squeeze it, yeah. See. This, you can't squeeze it at all. Now we're gonna try the same thing again with Pop Rocks. Up. No! Oh, yeah, that one. I think the Sprite is the only one that honestly works. Oh, yeah, that's going out. Super slowly. The candy needs soda to create a reaction blowing up the bubble. And the nerds made a bigger reaction than the Pop Rocks. Thank you to Candy Chemistry at MSOE, by the way.